Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to copy our Facebook profile link. Now let's begin. Do make sure that you have Facebook installed on your mobile device. In case it's not, do install it right now. I'm simply gonna open Facebook from right here. Well, as you can see, I've already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. Now let's try to copy our profile link. Right here in the navbar, at the rightmost section, you will find your profile picture right here. Simply click on it, and then something like this will open up. Well, from here, what you need to do is again click on your profile name and profile picture right here. It's the top tab. Click on it, and this will open up. There are lots of things that you can look at, but right now we simply want to copy our profile link. Right here, next to this Edit Profile button, you will see something like these three dots. Just click on it, and right here, the profile settings will open up. There are lots of things provided here, but right now, simply scroll down, and at the very end, you will find your profile link. Simply click on this button that says copy link, and there you have it guys. That's how you copy your Facebook profile link. It's as easy as that. Well guys, that's it for the video. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.